What do we have to do to own a down jacket? Killing 13 ducks or geese, pollute 6 to 7 tons of pure water, and probably even more. Every winter, the world sells more than 400 million down jackets and countless down products. This means that more resources are being consumed. Nobody wants to accept that, so we created Zero Down Vest. Zero Down Vest adopts an innovative fabric production technique. We use recycling plastic bottles to make yarn and create an insulation layer to trap the air through the adoption of our original insulation technology. Each environmentally friendly vest will help to reduce the pollution of 8.8 plastic bottles. According to the test of SGS Laboratory, it is proven that Zero Down material is much lighter than any other materials of the same size and thickness. The R value of Zero Down Vest is exactly the same as a 600 fill power down vest and 1.3 times that of regular cotton. At the same temperature, the warmth of Zero Down can even last longer than other conventional materials. In addition, the Zero Down material is soft, flexible, durable, and also waterproof. By adopting the laser drilling technology, Zero Down Vest ensures you will not lose any heat to keep you warm and remain comfortable, as well as improving its perspiration and breathability. Apart from warmth, Zero Down Vest is so much lighter than a conventional down vest. The vest was purposely designed as ultralight and thin. You will feel nothing when you wear it while still keep you warm. When you don't wear it, you can just fold it up. The lightweight design keeps it easy to store and carry around, which can save more storage space. And the wrinkles that appear on the vest after storage will disappear once air is inflated into it. Even if you cross thorns or conquer the dangerous mountains, the premium abrasion and wear resistance of Zero Down Vest will give you more peace of mind. People choose down products for the comfortability and warmth. What if we can perform a balance act among animal protection, eco-friendly, and warmth? Will that be a more preferable choice for everyone? If you love our nature, Zero Down Vest will definitely be your best choice for coping with the cold weather.